Here's something you only truly understand when you're faced with it. A vehicle rolls into the bay, it's a total key loss, and it's practically brand new. You grab your go-to-scan tools, the ones that have never let you down before, and one by one, they come up short. No support. It's that moment of quiet in the shop where the problem in front of you feels a lot bigger than it did on the work order. Welcome to Bobji Motors. Today, we're walking through a very specific and frankly challenging real-world scenario. We're talking about a 2023 Subaru Outback, a complete key loss, with a Denso ECU number 23130036680. What makes this a puzzle is that several popular aftermarket tools, we're talking the Smart Pro, the Autel and OBDSTAR, and the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3, all fail to even recognize a module for programming. So, if you can't communicate with it, where do you even start? A quick but vital note as we dive in. This discussion is strictly for the education professional technicians and automotive enthusiasts. All information is based on shared workshop experience and is meant to foster understanding. Always follow official manufacturer procedures and your local regulations. Now, here's a question to frame our deep dive. When a vehicle security system is designed to be a sealed unit from the factory, is the solution to fight that design or to work within it? Remember that thought, because the answer we found might shift how you approach these jobs from here on out. Let's break it down. In this generation of Subaru, the system we're dealing with is called the BIU, the Body Integrated Unit. The critical thing to know is that the Smart Key function isn't a separate little box you can unplug. It's physically integrated right into the interior fuse box on the driver's side. And as of right now, there is simply no known method to bench read or directly program the specific integrated unit as a standalone part. This isn't a limitation of our tools. It's a fundamental design choice by the manufacturer. This brings us to the first and most reliable path forward, which actually comes straight from how a dealership would handle this exact situation. Even the official Subaru SSM5 diagnostic system will not program a new, blank BIU for an all-keys loss scenario on this model. What does the dealer do? They don't program it at all. They order an entirely new BIU module, but here's the key detail. It comes pre-programmed directly from Subaru. So the solution involves sourcing that factory pre-programmed module. From there, the process expands. You'll also typically need a matching new steering column lock assembly and at least one new key. Once you have those authorized parts, the process becomes manageable with a capable aftermarket tool like an Auto Maxease. The tool won't be trying to read the impossible. It will perform an adoption procedure, marrying these new, pre-matched components to the vehicle. This same approach is also confirmed for models like the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek, indicating a trend in their security architecture. There's another avenue, but it's complex and requires very specialized equipment. The team at VDI Abrites has developed a method using their 850 adapter alongside a suite of specific interfaces. This is a deep, technical process for experts with that specific toolkit, and it represents the only known alternative to the parts replacement method. So, to directly answer the question we started with, sometimes working within the manufacturer's design isn't a workaround. It's the only way forward. In this case, fighting the sealed, integrated system is a losing battle. The efficient solution is sourcing the correct, factory-prepared components and using your tool for the integration it's capable of handling. Here's my personal take, and I'm curious if you've seen this too. I believe we're entering an era where all keys lost on newer cars will less often be a pure programming job and more often a precise parts replacement operation. It changes the cost structure and the workflow entirely. What's your experience been? Have you run into this BIU wall on other late-model Subarus or different brands? Drop your stories and solutions in the comments below. This is how we all learn. And here's a final practical tip that wasn't the main breakdown. Always, before ordering any major security component, get the VIN to your local dealership parts department. Have them run the VIN to confirm the exact part number and verify it can be ordered in a pre-programmed state. This one call can save you thousands of dollars and days of downtime. If this deep dive into modern automotive security helped you, let me know. Hitting that like button really supports the channel. Let's see if we can get this one to 1,000 likes. And if you have a colleague facing the same headache, sharing this video could save their week. For Bobji Motors, these detailed investigations take a tremendous amount of time and real-world verification. If you're finding this kind of content invaluable, consider subscribing. Only a small percentage of viewers who watch are actually subscribed, and every single one helps us grow, reach more technicians, and continue putting out this high-level, practical knowledge. Your support through likes, comments, and subscriptions is what makes it all possible. Thanks for watching.